So the importance of clean room manufacturing for medical devices is really all about minimization and elimination if possible. What you're really looking to do is minimize the opportunity for particulate and defect in the manufacturing process. We do that here in a number of ways. One of the most interesting ways is we extrude material in a clean room, we slit in a clean room, and we die cut. So we try to control that entire manufacturing process from the beginning to the end. Now, so the essential elements to a clean room environment really can be categorized 3 different ways. The first one would be the surfaces and the cleaning materials that are used. Second would be the positive airflow or the exchange of air. And the third would be how we move personnel and materials both in and out of the clean room. So from the surfaces standpoint, we're really looking for work surfaces that are very, very smooth, can be cleaned very easily, no very porous surfaces or rough surfaces. We employ here PLITEK a lot of stainless steel type tables in work centers. And we use materials or chemicals that are approved for use in cleaning that clean room environment. Second would be the exchange of air. We run Class A clean rooms. We have 9 different clean rooms here, most of those being hardwell clean rooms like you can see behind us. We're measuring at 0.5 micron and 5 micron levels. We do those particulate counts at the beginning of runs to make sure that the room is at standard, and we also do a work in progress inspection as well. The third, which is very, very critical, is making sure that you have a room for changing and introduction of materials. That room is extremely important. That's where the operators will gown up. They typically start from the top down, so they'll start with a hairnet. From the hairnet, they'll then put on a clean room jacket. From there, they'll put their shoe coverings on and then their gloves. And we want to make sure things like the hair is being covered. So proper way to wear a hairnet is covering the ears, so all the hair is inside the hairnet. The jackets are certified clean room jackets. They come in sealed in special packages. They're non-shedding jackets as well. And then your gloves are certified type clean room glove, and your shoe covers are typically a Tyvek type material as well, which is not shed. So other considerations we have here, from a cleanliness standpoint and how we interact with clean rooms is when we're extruding material or making raw material from either our coating operation or our extrusion operation, we use plastic course. We double bag the product. The reason we double bag the product is if there's any contamination in the movement of materials from extrusion to die cutting, we remove that outer bag before we enter the clean room. So that just helps ensure further cleanliness in the process.